In this segment, you will see how to assemble your new Agri-Fab Utility 18 polycart. Begin by aligning the hitch bracket, part H, with the front hitch channel, part F. Then fully secure it with two 3/8 inch by 1 inch hex bolts, part M, and two 3/8 inch nylock hex nuts, part R. Next, insert a short clevis pin, part L, and secure it with a 5/32 by 3 inch hair cotter pin, part BB. Now align the assembly with the hitch channel, part G, and latch pin bracket, part B. Then fully secure it with two 3/8 inch by 1 inch hex bolts, part M, and two 3/8 inch nylock hex nuts, part R. Next, insert two 3/8 by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part O, and fully secure them with two 3/8 inch nylock hex nuts, part R. Then repeat for the other side. Now thread the 3/8 16 hex nut, part V, onto the 3/8 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, part HH, so that 3/4 of an inch of the threads are exposed. Then insert the assembly up and through the hitch channel and secure it with a 3/8 inch nylock hex nut, part R. Now insert the 1/2 by 1 1/8 inch hex bolt, part Q, through the clevis pivot, part I. Then slide on a 0.64 by 1 inch washer, part Y. Next, insert the assembly through the tongue. Then slide on a 0.531 by 1.5 inch washer, part Z, followed by the 1/2 inch lock washer, part X. Now secure it with a 1/2 inch 20 jam nut, part W. Next, align the tongue assembly with the axle assembly, part C, and insert the long clevis pin, part K, and secure it with a 3/32 by 1.8 inch hairpin, part CC. Now press a plug, part DD, into each end of the frame assembly, part D. Then align the frame assembly with the axle tongue assembly. Next, secure it with two 1/2 inch by 3 inch hex bolts, part J, and two 1/2 inch 13 nylock hex nuts, part U. Now align the bed. Then insert two 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part P, down through the holes in the front of the cart tray and frame assembly. Then slide on two 0.312 by 0.734 washers, part GG, and loosely secure them with two 1/4 inch nylock hex nuts, part T. Finger tighten only at this time. Next, insert four 5/16 by 1 inch hex bolts, part N, down through the tray and frame. Then slide on four 0.375 by 0.875 washers, part EE, and fully secure them with 4.312 18 nylock hex nuts, part S. Make sure not to over-tighten the bolts, as this can lead to cart tray damage. Now tighten the two bolts at the front of the cart tray. Make sure not to over-tighten them. Then insert a 3/16 by 2 inch cotter pin, part FF, and bend the ends out to secure it. Next, slide on a large washer, part AA, onto the axle, followed by a wheel, part E, with the valve stem facing out, followed by another large washer, part AA. Then secure the wheel with a 3/16 by 2 inch cotter pin, part FF, and bend the ends out to secure it. Repeat for the other wheel.